Hi everyone, welcome back to Anak Crochet Design. I'm Eva and today I'm super excited to share my new Skillshare class where I teach you how to design and create custom tumbler decals using Procreate and Cricut. If you've been wanting to personalize your tumbler or make personalized gifts, this class is perfect for you. I'll walk you through sketching your design in Procreate. Then I'll show you how to set up the file for cutting in Cricut Design Space and applying the vinyl design flawlessly onto your tumbler. I use Cricut Maker 3 for this project, but don't worry, any Cricut machine will work just fine. Whether you have a Cricut Explore, Cricut Joy Extra, or even Cricut Joy, you can absolutely create this project too. We will have some fun exploring how to sketch and customize your design, and I will share a few handy tips to make the whole process smooth. It is a beginner-friendly class and you don't need any prior experience. And the best part, I'm offering you a free 1-month trial on Skillshare, so you can dive right in and start learning today. And not only that, by the end of the lesson, I will also show you how to apply the same technique to other surfaces like mugs, glass, journal covers, and so much more. You'll be able to customize a variety of items with your design. Thank you so much for watching and see you in class.